In this very quick video guide, I'm going to show you a tool that we can use free and it's online to remove the blurriness from images. So to make more highly detailed and more sharper images. So it's called Unblur image, and right now it's in Italian, but you can just look for it in a browser and it's probably going to show up in your language. So if you just look for Unblur, you'll find it in the first results. And you can also find other tools like Video Enhancer and Unblur Video, Upscaler Image, Photo Enhancer, etc., etc. But in this specific video guide, we're going to talk about the Unblur, which I think is a really handy tool, especially when you have like pictures you've taken that are a little bit out of focus and things like that, or they are a little bit in movement. So you just need to click on the gray big button right there, and you just select an image from your computer, and it's gonna upload it into the screen. And after a while, few seconds, you will see that you're gonna have like image showing you the before and after. So this is in English here, and it works pretty well in my opinion. It does a great job of artificial intelligence in this case. And you have a little cloud with the arrow up there on the right if you want to download. You can also try to remove objects from the picture. So this is another site, as you can see. It's called Magic Eraser, and so you can try to like brush on a part of the image and try to remove that part of the image. You can try, as it says. So what I'm doing here is trying, and also for this you need to wait just a little bit for the image to be processed, and that's it. So you can once you're finished, you can click download, and you can save it, the updated image in your computer, whatever folder you want, and that's it. So it's a totally free and easy tool that you can use. Now, if you want, you can also download the updated version, the Unblur version, and then you can do some refinements using free tools like GIMP or Canva or Pixlr. GIMP you need to download. It's a software. Canva and Pixlr, you can use them on the web, and they have like similar tools, so removing content part of the image or adding part of the image, etc., etc. So you will find those videos and video guides in the channel. If you're looking for something specific, just type it in the search bar in the channel and you'll find it. So what I'm seeing here is it is not capable of removing these little roses from the cake. So I would try with other AI tools like PixArt. And in general, we also have other videos and a playlist dedicated to AI tools. And you can also use Photoshop. They also have wonderful AI tools. And that's it. So we cannot manage to do it here. So it has its limits, but it's free. It's doesn't require any login or registration. So definitely it's a good site to do something quick. And this will be all for this video guide. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.